Crystal meth. Get real in recovery. Today we're going to speak about the truth about meth no one talks about. Not the Virgin People post, the real one. When you're using, things change. Stay awake for days, stop taking care of yourself, you don't eat, you don't sleep, you don't even bath. Some people experiment with rectal foreign play, but it goes deeper than that. Your thinking shifts, your boundary drops, start chasing intensity, not reality. You might find yourself watching things you wouldn't normally watch, excessive porn use. Not because that's who you are, but because what the drug is doing to you. Meth floods your system with dopamine, and suddenly normal isn't normal anymore. And afterwards, shame, confusion, regret. But this isn't about judging anyone, it's about understanding what's really going on. Recovery is about facing it, taking back the power.